Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in your account on your website using Firebase Authentication. On the last video I discussed on how to create a user account on your website using Firebase Authentication. So let's start. So I already updated our sign up form and put a login button. So for logging in existing users, you need to import the method sign in with email and password. Then we're gonna go and assign our login button to a variable in our JavaScript. So here I'm gonna go let login is equals to document that get element by ID log in. Then we're gonna assign it an event listener login dot add event listener, click. Then we're gonna go get the email and password. So let email is equals to document that get element by ID email dot value let password is equals to document dot get element by ID password dot value. Then we're gonna type sign in with email and password, and it's gonna go and accept three parameters: the auth, the authentication, email, and password. Then if the user exists, we're gonna print its credentials and put an alert message: credentials. So let's say user logged in so constant user is equals to user credentials dot user. Then we're gonna print it on our log, so user. Then we're gonna go and put an alert message that says that we are already logged in. So log in alert user logged in successfully. And if there is an error, we're gonna put a catch method. There. So let's try. So reload this web page and we're gonna go and put an email. So test@gmail.com. Test@test.com and password 123456. So we're gonna sign it up. As you can see, user created successfully. Then we're gonna log in this email test.test at test.com 123456. I'm gonna open the console and click login. As you can see, user logged in successfully, and it will print out the user credentials. And that is how you log in on your website using Firebase Authentication. I hope that you learned something, and please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.